Hi everyone. So today I'm just going to show a simple way of wearing a regular pattu sari for a sudden Bharatanatyam performance. So I'm going to show you over the top of my salwar kurta where you usually have your blouse and a matching pajama. And this is a full sari I've taken. I've taken a very regular cotton sari. But the secret of the sari is it is in a running blouse, so it's almost 6.5 meters. So it will be good for your costume if you can use the sari as it is. So raise the sari up to the leg, and you have to tie a thread between your pajama and your hip. So make sure you tie the pajama low hip and then the thread this way. So probably let me put my camera a little down so you can see the level of my sari. Okay, so here I've taken my sari here, and I'm going to make sure I measure the sari, which is my cat is photo bombing the video. I'm sorry. Okay, so make sure the border is just below your thigh, your knees, and so that when you wear salanga you have enough room. So start completely inserting the sari to the center, exactly in between your legs, and make sure you roll the sari up to the same length you want, and make sure the one at the back is not too high. Sometimes what happens, the sari goes up like that, so we need to be careful. And you gather everything and tuck it all in. Yes. So after tucking it in, the secret is to put in your hands. I'm going to turn back again this side. So put in your hands and you see the extra border. So you release the extra border down and make it straight so that it's not clumsy in the hips. That's what I did here too. I pulled it down from inside. So leave the rest of the sari here. As you should, just take the sari around you and gather small pleats, and if you really need to tuck the pleats, just pleat it up and put a pin right here. And because this is not a regular dance sari, we're wearing it like a costume. Let the sari hang just up to your leg down. So the sari is now actually touching my leg. Once I walk back, you'll be able to see right there. So right here. Why? Because I'm going to bring my sari and let the pallu come over here. So I've kept the pallu a little longer than our usual sari. And now coming back to pleating the sari. This is just normal. See, you have so much of sari length here. Pleat it like a normal sari. Take smaller pleats. Don't take too many big pleats. Take smaller pleats, because now we are trying to drape it like a costume. So, and then leave a little here. When we tuck in, it will become neat, right? So leave a little here. Now, as you can see, my sari pleats are in order. It's preferable if you take a soft silk sari for the costume, because it has a fall and it's easy to drape. Don't take a heavy silk sari costume. So now I'm holding my sari and I'm going to open up my pleats like a costume. I'm opening up my pleats and I will have to be careful as to not let it go too high or too low. Too low you might trip, too high it doesn't look nice. And now I am bringing up my sari exactly like a dance sari, but just below my knee level. And I have opened up my pleats so it's all nice and neat. And now I tuck all of them in, including this little clutch here. It becomes clumsy here if you don't tuck it in, and it should not It should all be in the same place. So as I told you earlier, reach out inside and pull the sari and the pleats all down neatly so that it's not clumsy on your hips. Now after having tied the sari, it's nice and beautiful. So because it's a cotton sari, I'm not taking time to pleat it, but yes, you pleat the sari. If it's a silk sari, you get nice pleats too, and let the sari go around. Pin up your sari here, and now usually in a dance sari we go take it round. So here, because we're going to make it look like a costume, it's better not to take it round. I like to leave my pallu like this. Okay, so now how do you keep this secure? So to keep this secure, you have to definitely tie a piece of thread around your waist like how I tied it, the one inside. So now after tying it, it'll look neater, but for now I'm going to show you how to wear it. So that's as simple as possible. That's how you wear the sari. Over this you can wear the udyanam and it'll look neat. Make sure you open up the pleats and put it. Okay? When you wear the udyanam, you feel nice and tight. And look at all the pleats I'm getting. So I have so much leg room to move around and nice aramandi. It looks nice. So happy performing, happy wearing the costume with a simple sari. Bye. This is Gayatri Krishnamini Lakshmanan.